In this video, I'll show you how to create a staging version of a live website using cPanel. To stage your website, log into your Barruko account and navigate to Services, My Services. Click your domain, then log into cPanel. Scroll down and click WordPress. You'll now see a list of domains managed by WordPress. Next to the website you want to stage, click this button. Now click Create Staging and wait a few minutes for WordPress to create a staged version of the website. The time this takes varies depending on how big your site is. Once finished, the staged website will show up under the live site, and you can manage and edit it from there.